Hello and welcome to another update video about Quant. So for Quant, we should be ready for a larger correction now because we've created here first impulsive wave to the upside in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there's no evidence really that wave 5 is over. We've got some indication. Yeah, it reached basically nearly target. I think target was around 115. We reached 112. Broke then below this trend line here. So that was a warning that things are changing. And from here, from up there to down there, yeah, this could be only the A wave. Sorry, no, this could be the, not this. This is not ready yet. So obviously, if we are moving down in a large ABC, we're looking down for either, here, like that, yeah. We're looking down for either 3 waves in this wave A or 5 waves, depending on which pattern is going to play out, because there is a corrective wave with a 3-3-5 pattern or a 5-3-5 pattern. So need to be ready that at some point here wave A, yeah, can be finished. So basically it would look like something like this: A, B, C in a wave A, then you have another A, B, C in a wave B, and then we come 5 waves down in a wave C. This is how this would play out, and we need to be careful. Yeah, any move now to the downside obviously doesn't move in a straight line, so you will see ups and downs here, and we need now to see a little bit further price structure here to get a bit more clarity. So what shouldn't happen in this move down now, ideally, yeah, is a move above the wave 1 of $112. If this happens, if we go above $112, then it would, to be honest, would be a strong indication. Well, it could be an overshooting wave B, but it would be a strong indication that here this wave 5 was actually not finished yet, that we might see a massive wave 5. Okay, because wave 3 I think is the longest wave already, so wave 5 could, because wave 1 is anyway short. So wave 3 can't be the shortest wave. But if wave 1 is anyway shorter than wave 3, wave 5 could be an extended wave without a problem. So this could have been only the first wave of the wave 5. This is the second wave of the wave 5. Therefore, this level is so important. If we break above this level, above 112, I think we can expect a lot higher prices. But for now, I don't see this. For now, we should be ready that this move down is continuing. Now in this wave A, then a B, and then a C. Now we can use some tools to help us here and to guide us. For example, you have here the trend line that you can draw. Yeah, and we are currently still below the trend line. So this is a critical one. Only a tool really to help you. Trend lines can be broken without a problem. It doesn't mean it suddenly shoots up if you just broke this trend line, but a good guide would be to stay below this trend line here in this wave A. So that's primary expectation, that we actually go down now in this A, B, C, because Quant has performed really well here, but we can count 5 waves complete, and in the 5th wave we can also count 5 waves complete. Now again, it could just be an extended wave to the upside. Then we've only had the wave 1 of the wave 5. This was the wave 2 of the wave 5, and we'd now be in a wave 3 of the wave 5. But if this is the case, it needs to break substantially above $112. And in any other case, I would expect now an ABC correction down basically in a wave 2 that should overall reach prices around, yeah, $69 to $62 in the most likely scenario. Yeah, between the 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. And if we then see a bullish signal coming out of this reversal area, that would be a good buying area that I would also use. At the moment, I would like to see a little bit more clarity if this overall uptrend is over, and really good clarity, and this would sort of be a, I would say, a final confirmation, would be if we draw a trend line here. And this would take a bit of time to get that confirmation, but if you draw a trend line like this along this wave 3 upside, yeah, breaking that would be a good indication. Or we can draw a trend line another way, like this, which will probably be broken earlier, then a break of this trend line will be probably the first good indication that you get. Anyway, a move below this swing low as well, below 95, that will fuel further downtrend, and then a break of this ascending trend line to the downside as well. And this is what the things I would be looking at the moment. Overall, for me, in a perfect world, it would now go down in a wave 2. Then we had a wave 1 here, a wave 2 in a 3-wave move. That'd be ideal. And then reverse here to get that larger wave 3 to the upside that could take us here above $154. And let's take a quick look here at some indicators here on the daily chart. So on the daily, it's still pushing higher here. You can see that on the daily, we have not yet lost any momentum on the RSI. Also, the ADX is still pushing higher, and the MACD as well. So here we haven't really seen the effects of the trend reversal yet. That might just be starting already on the 4-hour and the 1-hour chart. So if you go to the 4-hour, you can already see this. It started to move together. You know, the ADX entered the I line. The RSI went lower, but it's still holding above 50. And the MACD made a bearish crossover here. So that's a first sign that things might be changing. On the 1-hour, we already moved down. We're recovering now. This is only the 1-hour chart, obviously following very closely. So this is no divergences that I can see here. So nothing special to see on the 1-hour chart. Yeah, so for now, still not significant weakness, I must say, on the indicator. So on the daily, we can't see it. Yes, on the 4-hour, we've seen here this bearish crossover on the MACD, but that's pretty much everything. I mean, we had a bearish crossover here on the RSI as well, where we've moved below the yellow line. Depends now if we find resistance here and then come down, or if we break it bullish again. Definitely a good candle now on the 4-hour chart, but this could only be the B wave and then come down another C. So it remains, we need to break above this high at $112 to get clarity that we are in a more bullish environment here. But if we don't break this, this would also be resistance, the $112 level, where we could move down then in a wave C within the wave A and finish all of this off. So and that would be my view here currently about Quant. So we need to see a bit more price action to get confirmation. For me, likelihood is quite high that this was already the completion of this 5th wave, and that we are now heading down in this sort of sell-off in an ABC before we then turn around and can make new highs. Okay, and that's my view about Quant. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.